analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and this is the fair value gap that we had drawn, and these are the levels that we had drawn. As you can see, on a daily time frame, it looks like this fair value gap is being respected for the time being. So as usual, let us delete all that we drew yesterday and start afresh. From the monthly time frame, on a monthly time frame, I do not have a bias. It is still not sure. Why is it not sure? Because this low, which had to be protected for the bullish bias to sustain, has been taken, and there is no new development that from which I can read a bias. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is bearish. Why is it bearish? Because this high created is lower than the previous high. So lower high means Nifty is bearish. And what's a good target for Nifty? A good target for Nifty is this low created. Let me just mark it in green. Moving over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame is where we had marked the fair value gap that was supposedly respected today. And interestingly, that has brought about a bullish fair value gap here now. Let me give it a green color. Now, here we had a bearish fair value gap that is being invalidated by a bullish fair value gap. That's ideally a reversal pattern that's really strong. But since this reversal was actually in an ideal scenario, this would be a good reversal pattern. But here what is happening is this reversal is fueled by news that the war could come to an end. So anything that goes contrary to the news that this market is trying to factor, it could prove detrimental to the present move, or the market could normalize it. So it could go either way. So it's not easy predicting news-based movements. It's much easier to predict what is already there on the chart. Going over to the 4-hour time frame. A 4-hour time frame, it is not sure. I'll explain in a second why is it not sure. It is not sure because it was continuously creating lower highs, and this was the last high that had to be protected, that was invalidated today. So it is not sure. On an hourly time frame, it has turned bullish. So I've already typed bullish there. On an hourly time frame, there is a fair value gap here. There is one fair value gap here that was invalidated. There's another fair value gap. Let's see if that gets respected tomorrow. That's a large fair value gap from here all the way up till here. That's where Nifty is right now. That's it for today. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst, and whatever I do here is only for education purpose. Thank you.